Hello guys, it's Marilyn here. I'm so excited to show you the March limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. This kit is gorgeous and I know that every month I told you the same, but let me show you and you will see how beautiful this kit is. I will start with the paper. This month the kit is featuring the Amelie Rose collection by Prima marketing, and let me show you. Look, this first paper, it has a lot of foil. Let me move the paper and you can see the effect. It's so cool. Nice, very nice. And on the back you have these lines, so cool. And the second paper, it has these white circles, and I don't know if you can see through the video, but the circle has this tiny foil effect. It's very lovely. And on the back you have this grid effect or design. Then you have this paper that is so beautiful with pink, and it also have a little of foil effect. And on the back, this design. Now, well, this is tricky. Look, this is very artistic, this paper. And on the back you have the black lines with the ivory of white paper. And look, this one is so beautiful. Oh, look, the foil effect, so pretty. Perfect to cut out. And look, like the notebook in the back, very pretty. Then you get this paper. It looks like stickers, something like that. And on the back you have this black that I like it because it's plain, and you can look, this one so pretty, like this paper. And you have the writing with foils. Nice. And on the back you have the squares. And look, this one, very artistic too, with a lot of paint. And I don't know, let me move. You can see here all the foil effect on the back. It's very nice. Oh, it's nice this side too. And these are the papers in this kit. Now let me show you the rest. You have an alphabet by American Craft. Now you get a stamp. It is from Hampton Art. Lovely sentiment, very nice. And this package includes a stencil. I think this one is one that the stencil that stick to the paper, and they are from Hampton Art. Very nice. You get also a package of gold sequins by Studio Calico. It goes perfect with the foil, very nice. And then you get a package of the ephemera from the Amelie Rose collection. Let me open here. I don't want to damage the plastic bag. Let me see carefully, because I want to show you a few of these pieces. You can see how many pieces this package has, and you have flowers, hearts, words, more flowers, butterflies, cards. It is perfect to create cards or albums. Of if you like planners, it works too. Very nice. Okay, now I'm going to put all these pieces inside the package. Let me move this fast. Let me move. I come back now. Here, better now. Here is the photo. You can see here the images. Very fast. It's really nice, and this package has a lot of possibilities with them. Now let's move for the next product, that is these beautiful shoe boards by Creative Embellishments. you get 2 frames in the package. Then you receive a package of puffy stickers from the same Amelie Rose collection. Really lovely. And then you get, ribbon. A pretty ribbon. It is a sheer, like organza. And then you get, look at. And then you have, last but not least, the flowers, and you get 3 Prima flowers packages in this kit. Look, this one with the 2 butterflies, so pretty. Look, these are beautiful. And then you get a 3rd package. Plenty of flower, love that. You got these 3 packages, and here are the papers, and you can see all the beautiful product that comes in the March limited edition kit. I will let you down below in the description box the link to get this kit, and I come back very soon. I think that in a few hours with my first video tutorial with this gorgeous kit. See you soon. Nos vemos. Bye bye.